Cathay Pacific, the Hong Kong-based airline that once dominated Asia's skies, has hit more turbulence. It revealed the personal data of more than 9 million passengers was leaked in March 2018. It included passengers' names, nationalities, birth dates, telephone numbers, email and physical addresses, as well as passport numbers, identity numbers, frequent flyer program numbers, and travel history. Cathay said there is no evidence that any of this personal information has been misused, but the breach presents a major obstacle for the airline attempting to restructure its way to profitability. It is struggling to stay competitive in an increasingly crowded and diverse market. Cathay was founded in 1946. It rose to prominence in the 1960s and 70s as one of the first to connect many Asian cities to the rest of the world. Cathay was known for its large aircraft that could transport hundreds of passengers at a time, but those glory days are long gone. In the past few decades, Cathay has faced competition from Chinese and Middle Eastern airlines that offer travelers direct flights from many cities in Asia to international destinations, meaning they no longer have to transit through Hong Kong. No-frills budget airlines that offer significantly cheaper fares have also drawn customers away from Cathay, which shunned the opportunity to launch its own low-budget carrier. Internally, Cathay has been battered by high operating costs. In May 2017, the airline cut almost 600 staff from its head office, the biggest round of job cuts for the airline in 20 years. An overestimate in fuel costs has cost Cathay 25 billion Hong Kong dollars, $3.1 billion US dollars, since 2014. In total, it recorded a 1.26 billion Hong Kong dollar loss for 2017, its biggest in 9 years. Cathay's leadership are now in the middle of a 3-year program aimed at turning the airline's losses around and saving some 4 billion Hong Kong dollars. And the data breach presents a new challenge for Cathay, maintaining passengers' trust.